The spring of 2017 will forever be etched in the memories of so many ranchers and producers in Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, and Colorado, as one of the most devastating wildfires claimed more than 1 million acres in this region. Thousands of cattle, horses, sheep, hogs, and wildlife were unable to escape the flames. But as we know about the nature and many times unpredictability of fire, some producers were left fairly unscathed, while others were left watching the inferno consume everything in its path. Neighbors came together to help one another, to laugh and to cry. And at the end of the day, stand and stare, left only with the silent, simple gaze, but even after losing everything, still thankful for what they had. Now strangers from all over the country rallied together to ship convoys of feed and supplies to those in need. An awe-inspiring sight of this act of kindness as the last in the caravan drove through town draped in the red, the white, and the blue. So many wanting to put those memories behind them, but today those concerns rage on. Producers, scientists, and producer services, including rural emergency management through USDA climate hubs, are coming together in various forums to learn, listen, share, question, and hopefully gain more knowledge and skills to be proactive instead of reactive when it comes to dealing with wildfires living in that part of the country. And that concern is just as powerful today, if not more, than it was in the spring of 2017. Sharing the mission statement of the USDA Climate Hub in El Reno, Oklahoma, is Director David Brown.
There are 10 USDA climate hubs. Each one of those hubs is administered either by the Agricultural Research Service or the U.S. Forest Service. The USDA climate hubs were designed to develop and deliver weather and climate information on a regional scale for producers, for agricultural professionals, and for the public. So a big part of what the climate hubs do is to take information about weather, including weather forecasts and longer-term forecasts, climate projections, and pull that information together from all sorts of sources: the National Weather Service, other federal agencies, land-grant universities, and sort of package and translate all that information in a way that's going to make sense for a producer in Texas or for a producer in Montana or whatever the location and the issue might be. So we're constantly working with all manner of other partners and agencies all over the country. One of the key mission areas of the climate hubs is to take emerging science that USDA and other agencies are producing and make that science relevant and understandable for agricultural audiences. So the role of the climate hubs is to be an interface between ARS scientists and ARS locations in their regions and convey the information that's coming out of those ARS programs to producers, but also to agricultural professionals, extension agents, conservation districts, others who are interested in those science advances but might not be working day to day with the ARS scientists themselves.
Natural disasters are inevitable. But through the proud collaboration and cooperation of many different community groups, we can and are becoming more proactive. We are repairing the environment. We are starting again, but this time with more knowledge and wisdom. Thank you for taking the time to review and absorb the information in this video, and a big thank you to the Southern Plains Climate Hubs, the USDA Agricultural Research Service, and the Society for Range Management for making this possible.